I live like a tourist, but I travel like a local. Travel content for businesses. These are usually local businesses. These are like your mom and pop places and places that travelers are often going to be at. They frequent these places. So what businesses do I work along with? Like you can say work for, but it's more like working along with. We collab, we talk about their vision for their company, and then we come up with some really, really cool ways of marketing strategies in order to make their social media explode. So yes, I'm still helping businesses to make their social media explode. I know you guys have heard me talk about social media explosions a lot on this platform. I do it for weddings, I do it for events, I do it for parties, I do it for UGC brands, and now you're getting to hear how I do it also for travel, right? So whenever we think about travel, we don't really think like, oh, this is something for travel, that's something for travel. I'm going to tell you some of the places that I work with that are frequent by travelers. It means that travelers go to these places often, and guess what? They need to have. Here are just some of the travel experiences of places that I collab with. These are going to include hotels, restaurants, Airbnb, public parks, museums, theaters, theme parks, recreation activities like pickleball, volleyball, bowling, movie theaters, shopping stores, health and beauty, electronics, home office, local small and large businesses. These are for the community and places that are for travel experiences. Oh yeah, and water parks! So as you can see, I'm not just creating content for personal travel. Obviously, that is a big focus of mine because I think it's important that you get to have someone with you that's your personal paparazzi, that's with you alongside you for your personal travel as well. Now remember, I'm like the invited guest that no one knows about, but I'm very, very hidden. So you don't have to worry that I'm going to be a bother during your vacation. I'm really good at capturing moments behind the scenes, using my lens in order to zoom in, and you won't even notice that I'm there. The only time you'll notice me is when you and I sit down together and we talk about our storyboard, your vision for what it is you're going to be doing in your travel and the moments that you want to actually capture. And when it comes to the businesses, the travel businesses, the places that people are frequenting a lot, those businesses, we also get to sit down and we also get to collab and talk about, okay, what's your vision for your company and for your social media, especially? Where would you like to see it go and look like? And I am here to assist you and to help you along with that strategy, that marketing strategy. So yeah, I hope you guys have learned a little something on here about what is a travel content creator. And let me know in the comments if you would consider having a travel content creator for your next vacation or that trip you need to take, or even for your business, whether it be for the community or something that has like some form of travel experiences. Maybe you have like a boat company and you would love to have some more social media for that because maybe your company, people aren't posting enough about your company. And so you're like, you know what? Why don't I get some people to make some content for me? And I can help you with that. Even if you need an actress to be in some of that content itself. I am an actress and a model, and I'm also a voice actor. So if you need some voiceover content as well, I can help you with that. Say like if you have a restaurant and you have a lot of food, and so you just want to document the food, but then maybe you want a little bit of voiceover on some of it. Not all, I know, you probably put a little bit of music over it or some text. But if you would like to have somebody come out and do like voiceover over it, I can do that for you. And like I said, I can also act in some of the content for you, especially if it's for ads that you're trying to run. So yeah, I hope that this helped you guys a little bit. Businesses, try to remember that the more people that you have using your hashtags, the more your business is going to become known in that community. So having a travel content creator create content for you and building up your SEO in this way is definitely going to be beneficial, especially in the long run.
Put away your phones and cameras, let the good times roll. All content creators